day, faculty members, staff, and graduating students. My name is Dr. Grimsrud, and I'm a member of the class of 1978. Thank you for the opportunity today to speak about the Dr. Richard Fedorak Memorial Endowment in Professionalism. I want to say a little bit about the award and then why it's so meaningful to me and the Fedorak family. The award will be presented annually in recognition of a faculty clinician exhibiting and personifying outstanding professionalism in both clinical care and medical education. Nominations are put forward by students in the MD program and academic faculty peers. The annual spending allotment for the endowment is to be used by the recipient to advance professionalism within the faculty. This endowment is a very meaningful tribute to my late husband, Richard Fedorak, and will be a long-lasting part of his legacy within the Faculty of Medicine and Dentistry. Probably most, if not all, of the faculty and staff here, as well as some of the students, will have known Richard. At the time of his death in November of 2018, he was the Dean of Medicine and very much an integral and proud member of the faculty for over 30 years. Immediately following his passing and for some months afterwards, there was an outpouring of remembrance and recognition of his many professional accomplishments. An endowment was created and now has over 200 donors. And my thanks again to those donors for your generosity. And I'm so pleased today that we're able to name the first recipient of the award. I also want to thank Dr. Paul Armstrong, who was a good friend and mentor to Richard, for suggesting the award in the area of professionalism. This was always an important focus for Richard and a topic that he and I discussed quite frequently. As physicians, we're held to very high standards both in and outside of the workplace, and that is backed by a demanding and rigorous standards of medical education and training. Richard felt strongly that professionalism meant exhibiting high ethical standards of personal and professional behavior, and being an advocate for your patient in all aspects of their life. At this moment, professionalism, I think, is of particular importance when we're all dealing with the enormous impact of a global pandemic on our professional and personal lives. It requires those on the front line to treat patients with care and compassion, respect and dignity. And for you, the graduating class of 2020, COVID will teach you resiliency. And as medical professionals, it requires you not to grieve your losses, but to embrace the unknown and what lies ahead of you. So on behalf of my children, Kristen and Brian, as well as the extended Fedorak family, I want to extend my congratulations to the first recipient of the Dr. Richard Fedorak Memorial Endowment in Professionalism, Dr. Francesco Mosaico. Congratulations.